one of the first questions that I'm asked is, what can I expect from the process? And the process really involves, there are two parts. One, we have to start with the pre-suit investigation of the case. The pre-suit investigation of the case involves obtaining the product that's at issue, assuming that it's available. If you're aware that there may be a product liability issue in your household, it is imperative that that evidence is safely preserved, as a failure to do so may compromise any future litigation. The pre-suit investigation also includes interviewing any family members or friends or just witnesses that may have seen the event occur or can testify related to the impact that the injuries have on the individual's life. But most of the pre-suit investigation is centered around understanding what the liability is or isn't with respect to that product. There's also third-party information that needs to be gathered, typically through Freedom of Information Act requests. If it's a case that involves a pharmaceutical product or a medical device issue, we would need to get documents and search through the FDA database to understand what was the science that was serving as the basis for the approval of that product, and what were the clinical studies that were run, in order to understand whether or not certain issues with respect to the type of injury or with respect to the approval process itself may impact what direction the case could go from a factual or a legal perspective.